Right, we're at the campsite. About half an hour drive, so just a local campsite again. Temperature. Let's see what the temperature is. It's bloody hot. First day of summer, they say this is. Let's see what the temperature is. 28 degrees. Right, we found the spot where we're going to pitch up. The rest is quite uneven. It's one of the reviews here, but I'll show you around the campsite in a bit once I've pitched up. I'm with Sam again. Right, yeah, I'm going to pitch up, crack a beer open, and enjoy it. See you in a bit. That's the best I've ever pitched, that tent.
Is it?
Yep.
Where's the inner?
I've got to put the inner in.
Oh, right, oh.
But yeah, that seems to have, I seem to have used the pegs
Correct.
for the ground sheet.
That's what they meant.
And it just lines up perfectly. And the rest of the time it's just been me being a dumbass. Right, let's put the inner in. Right, while I'm trying to put this table together, where is it? I'll tell you where we are. So yeah, we're at a local campsite. When I say local, it's about half an hour, like I said. I've been here before. I did film it. I can't remember if I actually shared it. This is called, what's it called?
What's what?
It's a campsite.
Redlands.
Redlands campsite.
You booked it?
Yeah, I did book it. I can't remember. And I thought I'd bring Sam along to show him. I think his review of it is good so far.
Hey?
Apart from the toilets are too far away.
Yeah. Been flushing my system out all week, so.
Lovely.
I'm going to grab that wheelbarrow you left
Okay.
over there. Sorry, discarded over there.
Okay, no worries. I'm still trying to put this bloody thing together. I'm sure it's bent. Oh no, here we go. So I bought this time, the Helm 2 again, out with me, because obviously, as you can see, the weather's a lot warmer. 3-season tent, and also I want to try it because I've washed it with some knit wax and waterproofed it. Not that I need the waterproofing, but it'll be a good test for it. And it's just nice to get the 3-season out. Last time I took it out, which was Dartmoor, I think, there's a lot of moisture inside, not water, it hadn't leaked, a lot of moisture, a lot of condensation, and you could see it was seeping through from the ground sheet up. So I contacted Wild Country and they said to do the waterproofing and stuff, so that's what I've done. So wheelbarrows up here now, tables together. See you in a bit. Just taking the wheelbarrow back. I just couldn't be bothered to carry it all. As it's a campsite and the wheelbarrow was accessible, I'll use it. But yeah, this is the campsite, I'll show you. Walk around the pond in a bit. Right, this is where we've actually pitched up. We've pitched in a separate field, and there's no one else here. So yeah, I bought the helm too. As I said, I knew the weather was going to be good, so I thought I'd bring it out. First day of summer. And Sam's bought the Nortent Vern 1. So solid. He spent quite a bit of money buying this. He's wanted it for a while, so he went for it. So he had to sell all the other million tents he's got, but he's got it. So inside my tent I've got my 3-season OEX Fathom 300, I think it's called, inflatable pillow, OEX sleeper mat, closed cell foam mattress underneath, and some beer, water for coffee in the morning and a drink. What have I got? Let's have a look food wise. Not that you're interested. Got coffee for the morning. I don't know how you pronounce it. Tortellini. For tea. Porridge for the morning. Cup sugar. And some lemon loaf cake for if I get a bit peckish later on. So I'm going to wait for that to self-inflate and then put a bit of breath in it. But yeah, that's a lovely spot. Keeping the doors open, get a bit of ventilation. Right, I'm going to sit down and just enjoy it. I'll catch you in a bit if anything happens, or if me and Sam has anything to say. See you in a bit.
Oh right, Venus de Milo. Is that water?
Yeah. Must lead to that pond.
Yeah. Right.
So this is Sam's Vern 1 tent. I just counted, it's got 10 guy ropes on it.
Grab your chair.
Yeah, I'll grab it in a minute. And there's a discount on the sleeping pad as well when he bought it.
Spying on, mate.
Yep, spying on it, mate.
You've been talking about the mat?
Yep.
Do you know I was one of the only people to get one without a leak? No, I'm not kidding you.
Oh really?
Yeah, you go online. I think it was like 50% maybe of the mats that were released, they had leaks in the sinks. I got lucky.
Yeah, I'll get the van too.
Do it, mate. We've got a forklift truck.
So nothing to report. Just me and Sam. Just put some tunes on, some classic hip hop. He's sorting his sleeping mat out because it's gone down. Probably to do with the heat.
Yeah.
Blown up?
No.
Oh.
I need sound, ain't I? I was trying to find my batteries.
Okay. So he's going to blow that up in a minute. And just having a beer and just chatting. Not a lot to update with. When I do, I'll bring you back. Right, so we've both retired to our tents. It's about 10 past 10. The wind's picked up. We're expecting some rain later on, I think, in the night, but not expecting a lot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put a film on, relax. Hopefully you can see me. Speaking a bit, any more updates? They all seem to singe my hairs and my fingers switching that stove on. I always seem to singe my hairs on when I put my gas stove on. I see. Doing it wrong. Don't know if you can see much. I have missed this tent. It's got so much room. I'll show you. So just put my backpack in here really. I've just got loads of room. I am sleeping on the side, but why not? Got loads of room both sides of the vestibule. 2 doors. I'm hoping for a bit of rain. Just to see how it holds up. yeah, I'm watching a series called Eternal on Netflix. On season 3, no, episode 3. It's good, worth a watch. Right, I'm gonna have my cup of tea, watch a bit more, head off to bed. If there's any more sort of updates, if I need to update you, I will. See you in a bit. Right, we've got up, had a coffee. Haven't really recorded much because not much going on. Still quite early. It's about 7:30. I'm quite quiet because there's still people obviously asleep. No rain in the night. I'm just gonna pack all my stuff up. It's inside my tent, like a sleeping bag and the sleeping mat and stuff. Move my tent into the sun, wait for that to dry out. There's a little bit of condensation, nothing major, and pack that away and head on home. So not a lot's going on, but yeah, sun's out again. Morning sun, lovely. That's it really. Tent hasn't leaked at all. A bit of moisture inside the tent, but I think that's just from my body. But yeah, can't wait to use it in the rain, just to really test it. Still got my Southern Cross too, which I sort of retired till the winter, as that's a 4 season. Lovely. So yeah, I'm just going to pack my stuff away, move my tent, wait for that to dry out a little bit better, pack that away, go home. Sam's pleased with his tent. I think he regrets bringing it because it's been so hot. Right, tent's all dried out and all packed away. Tied up all the rubbish. Just got the last little bit to pack away, just a tent. Let's head on home. Just watching.